I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to start by verifying connections and telling the TV what source to scan. First, make sure the coax is solid in the ANTN port. A loose plug often causes no program info. Once done, switch the TV input to antenna or cable, not HDMI, so the tuner can be accessed. Also, take a quick note of your LG model and firmware. This makes later steps precise and prevents unnecessary confusion. Now you'll run a comprehensive scan and align the TV's metadata settings so program info can appear. Start a full auto-tuning scan and choose the correct source, antenna, or cable, then wait until it completes. Next, make sure region, country, and time zone match your location because the EPG depends on that data. If you use a set-top box or DVB device, set it to transmit EPG or switch to the box's guide. Finish by updating and, if needed, resetting the TV to clear leftover issues. Check for the latest firmware and install it. Many EPG problems are fixed in updates. Once done, try a factory reset only if you backed up channels. Resetting removes corrupt tuner data that blocks program info. If you still see no program data, swap the cable or antenna to rule out hardware and contact your broadcaster or ISP. They may need to resend EPG streams or update their service parameters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.